Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just made this and I thought about making an antenna and I'm totally off. I haven't cut it out yet, but I just started looking at it. The antenna needs to go in the same direction as the wings because the wings are up. But on this one, I'm going to put feet and then I'm actually going to go out and cut it out and maybe show it off. So let's get rid of the antenna. And I was thinking about just deleting that other video, but I think maybe somebody will not cut it out and watch that. So I'm going to go. I got the freehand tool or the Bezier tool or something. I'm going to get the 3-point curve line is what I want. And I'm going to go from that node to that node and then just give a little bit of an angle. Now, I could cut that off, but I'm not going to, and I'm just going to fill that in. And left click, right click. And I'm going to do the exact same thing, but I'm going to do it the correct way. I'm going to start from like right down here this time. And it might be the best way to do this so you can kind of see how it looks like compared to we need to make it a little bit thicker because we want it a little bit strong. Then I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard and give it round end caps. Look a little nicer. I'm going to go to an object and convert the outline to an object. And I'm going to left click, right click. And you could probably weld it, but it's so much easier. You got the virtual segment delete key right there. Now we're going to have to do this on both sides, but because I've already got the slot in there. So there's that one. Now we're going to do this one with the slot on the bottom. Same scenario. Left click, right click, make sure it's an outline. And I'm just going to cut that part out, get the 3-point curve line, zoom in. And really this should have been done prior to cutting that slot. And then we can fill that in. And it would have been nice if I would have thought and saved that shape of the antenna see this way, you put them together like that and you know which way is going to be the right way. And the antennas don't have to be perfect. When he's flying, when the little butterfly's flying around, 3-point curve line. And see, we want to kind of have it come off that same area. So let's do this. Let's put this butterfly kind of superimposed over that one. And now let's take a 3-point curve line and go from about right in there to about right in there. Give it a little bit of a curve. Now, if we move this one out of the way, we still got our line. Let's make our line, I can't remember how many points I made it. I think I made it 8. There we go. F12 on your keyboard, give it round end caps. Go up to object, convert the outline to an object, left click, right click. And see, we're not quite kind of touching very good. So I'm going to move it over a little bit. Take your virtual segment delete key. And then Smart Fill is your favorite tool when you're doing something like this, because then that way it makes it all one piece. Now we can get rid of that and you see the antennas left. So now we can take, that makes a lot more sense. Left click, right click, and then like before, get rid of all that other stuff. I'm going to go ahead and make legs for this guy, or at least a leg, to make him kind of stand up. And if I do, I'll post a second video, or like the 5th video on this project for everybody. Anyway, I hope that helped, and I'm sorry about the first one, and thank you for watching.